everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are testing first impressions, doing this makeup look with the Holly Boone Dare to Be Different palette. Now I've got my hands on it and I'm so excited. Obviously I've done this look with it so I've played with it. There's going to be swatches which will be coming up next, and then it will be this makeup look which is a recreation of her campaign look that she did for this palette, and yeah. Let's get into it. First off, when it came, it arrived in a super cute silver packaging. And then it comes wrapped in bubble wrap. There's a sticker on there that says HNB Cosmetics. Thank you, love Holly. That's that. I don't know if you can see and focus on it. So yeah, it comes up wrapped in bubble wrap, which is great. I kept it nice and pristine because I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like when it came. But then it comes in this cardboard box which has the Dare to Be Different name on it and H&B Cosmetics on the front there. I look really pale, bear with. Just better. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Super cute. I love the pink of it. On the back, this is what we've got here. Got all the information. So it says dare to be different, dare to be bold, dare to be dramatic, dare to be different with 12 beautiful creamy and all matte high pigmented blendable eyeshadows. Stand out from the rest with a shadow to complement any look. Add a pop of drama to your daytime look or play with the boldest shades if you dare. The possibilities are endless when you dare to be different. It's got the ingredients and it has like a little slogan: dare to be bold, dare to be dramatic, dare to be different, and then it has Holly Boone's signature in gold on the back. Yeah, that's the cardboard box it comes in. When like palettes are new to me, I like to keep all the boxes and things as I like slowly wear them down. Like my Jaclyn Hill is like dead now, but when they're like new and precious to me, I keep like the boxes and everything for a little bit because I'm that person. And then you have the actual palette here. It's in a cardboard casing unit. Cardboard, and it's got the same logo as it did on the cardboard box, and then the same information on the back as well. And then when you open it up, it does come with a plastic cover to protect the shades in the mirror, but because I've used it, I've already lost that plastic cover. But it has a huge mirror in it, and then these are the shades. Now I literally fell in love as soon as I saw this palette, and I tweeted that I was like, do I need another eyeshadow palette? No. Am I gonna get this one? Absolutely. And yeah, here we are. So this is the palette here. Focus on the palette, not on my face. Yes, these are the shades, looking beautiful. My concentrating face in the back. But yeah, they are the shades. You've got super cute names. You've got Sassy, Savage, Babe, Zodiac, Welcome, Hi, Reef, I See You, Angel, Rich, Chocolate and Soul. And yeah, that is the overview of the palette, and I'm just now gonna swatch all the colours for you. Exciting! So here is the first row of colours. From this side here we've got Sassy, Savage, Babe and Zodiac. So here is the second row. You've got up here Welcome, Hi, Reef and I See You. Here is the final row. This one here is Angel, Rich, Chocolate and Soul. So there we have it, that is all the swatches, and so without further ado, let's do this makeup look. I'm looking crazy, and yes, I'm in my penguin dressing gown again, but I see better to get dressed right now. So I've primed my lid with the Pete Louise base, and I'm going to do the blue look that is like in the campaign for this palette, because yeah, I love it. So I've already done one eye, so we're going to do the other one. So I'm just going to take this little brush from BH Cosmetics. Number is now officially gone, but I'm just going to pack on the shade Chocolate, this dark brown shade here, on the lid. Now that I packed that brown colour on, I'm now just going to smoke out the edges a bit with the brush that we packed the colour on. Not going too crazy, but just to start blending. It just sort of helps the blending process. This mirror, by the way, is so big. I love it. Next, going in with this little fluffy brush and going into the shade Rich, which is this lighter brown shade, and using that to smoke out the edges. Now going back in with the brush that we used for the darker brown and just blending through again. And then taking a clean, I've already used up the other eye so it's not so clean, but a clean brush to blend out all the edges. And building up the colours again. I haven't brought it up as far as I did with the other eye, so I'm going to try and match the other eye. Going back into the shade Rich. So I'm just using this fluffy brush from the Jeffree Star X Morphe collection just to truly blend in those colours together. This is what the eye is looking like so far with just those two browns blended in together. It's looking good. I'm loving the pigmentation on these shadows. I just can't with this palette, it's so pretty. So now they're blended, I'm going to go back in with the Pete Louise base and quite roughly pop that on. I've just got a bit left on my hand. Just roughly. Now that's all packed on there, we're going to go in with the bright blue shade I See You, which is this one here, and pack that on the lid, building up the intensity to as much as you want. And then taking this little blue brush, am I alright? This little brush and going closer in the inner corner. Okay, so now that I've packed the blue on, I'm now going to go back in with a slightly smaller bullet brush into the shade Chocolate, which is the darker brown, and just blend that over the edges where we did the blue. You know, if I'm making sense. And like Holly said in her video, the way it like mixes with the blue makes it look like you put like a green transition-y shade in there, which is quite cool when you haven't, you've just used 3 colours for this look. And then back in the brush and into the shade Rich. Shoving that all over. Shoving that all over. I genuinely can't talk today, like, no joke, can't talk. But using that to blend that blue back out, brown back out. Ugh. And then because I don't want to lose any of the blue, I'm going back in with the blue. This is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm back. We're just going to finish off the eye look. I don't think Holly in her video highlighted her brow bone, but I don't think I can do a look without highlighting my brow bone. So I'm going into the James Charles palette and taking the shade Ring Light and just highlighting my brow bone. And taking the blending brush we've blended out the edges with, just to blend that in. Lovely. Next we're going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to start with the shade I See You on a little brush and just pop that on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take the little bullet brush and go into the shade Chocolate, which is the darker brown, and just go that on the outside slightly. And then back in with the blue to build up again. And then take a little fluffy brush and go into the shade Rich, which is the lighter brown. Just go underneath all of those colours. Lovely, so that's the lower lash line done. I'm going to pop off camera, finish off my makeup, and I'll be back with the finished look. I'm back and this is the final look. I really love this makeup look. Obviously taken from Holly Boone's announcement video and campaign for this palette, and when I saw that look I just had to recreate it because it spoke to me, you know. But yeah, I got my hands on the palette, and honestly if you can get your hands on it, go get it, because I love this palette so far. Obviously I only used 3 colours, but just the selection of colours in this palette. Look, you've got your transitional basics, but then you have your pops of colours, and like you could do this makeup look with pink all over the lid, or purple all over the lid, or yellow. Like this look can be done multiple different ways. Obviously you can do straight, just colourful looks, but also you can do like a smoky glam as well. So obsessed with this palette, cannot wait to do more videos with it. Yeah, this is the final look. It's a super cute blue smoky eye, and I'm obsessed with this look that she created, and yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love, love, love to have you back here. My name's Sophie, and mwah, have a lovely day.